Hey everybody, Cuyoya here for another fun-filled cooking... Hey everybody, Cuyoya here for another fun-filled cooking adventure. Today we'll be looking at how to cook a chicken just by slapping it. What? That's right, it's possible to cook a chicken with just a single slap, but more about that later. To start off, we're gonna want to actually get our chicken out right here. Now I've got a chicken thigh. Chicken thighs save lives. We're gonna put our chicken thigh right down there, right on the counter. It looks beautiful. We obviously want to prepare our chicken to be cooked. So we'll start by seasoning the shit out of it. Yeah, get rid of those stereotypes, am I right? I really hope this video does well because that was some really expensive seasoning. Oh, heck yeah! Woo! That's some good seasoning! Now, as you might be able to tell, I didn't defrost the chicken first. So keep in mind that the slapping method I'll be using today is for fully defrosted chicken and not for fully frozen chicken. I'll just be using the frozen chicken anyways. Bingo! Now that our chicken is fully seasoned, we want to add the proper sauce to make it good. That's why today I'll be drowning it in hot sauce. The
best sauce in existence.
Okay. Now we want it to be full of flavor, so let's just dump it on! Yeah! Woo! Ah! Yeah, look at that! Wowzers! Now, upon adding the sauce, you might have displaced some of the seasoning. Oh no! That's alright, just add some more! Wow! That chicken is looking good already, but we're not done yet. Now normally you want to balance out your meal a little bit by adding some delicious veggies to cook alongside your chicken. However, I couldn't find anything readily on hand, so I just grabbed some lettuce. Alright, it's looking good. I think it's ready for some slapping. Now we need to slap our chicken at exactly 3,725.95 miles per hour. Or roughly 5,996.33 kilometers per hour. Honestly, this is probably the easy part. Now you have to be careful not to go a couple hundred miles per hour or kilometers per hour too fast or too slow. Otherwise, we might end up overcooking or undercooking our chicken. Alright, roll those sleeves up. It's time to get slapping. Now just follow as I do. Woo! We may have hit the chicken a little too hard there. This clearly resulted in instantaneous incineration. Like I said, you don't want to go too fast or it might result in it being a little overcooked. That's all the time we have for today. But tune in next week where we'll be baking cookies with a homemade flamethrower.